Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. 94 young people from 17 parishes in the Catholic Diocese of Rumbek walked 140 kilometers to the Sacred Heart Parish at the Don Bosco Mission in Tonj. The young people were accompanied by Bishop Christian Karlaser, Bishop of Rumbek, 3 priests and 7 men and women religious. The theme of the pilgrimage was "Be the Seeds of Hope," taken from the farewell speech of Pope Francis' 3-day visit to South Sudan in February 2022. The young people started their pilgrimage on 7th of January from Rumbek and arrived in Tonj on 13th of January. During these 7 days of the journey for peace, young people reflected on the various speeches of Pope Francis. In line with the theme, the young people from the diocese sought hope and peace along the streets from Rumbek to Tonj. Their pilgrimage has left an indelible mark on the hearts and minds of the people of South Sudan. The chapter process of the Salesian province of southern Italy, IME, officially began on Saturday 13th of January. It is a process of listening and involvement of the entire Salesian community, consecrated and lay, in southern Italy, Albania and Kosovo. The houses in Salerno, Brindisi and Andria, Sovratout, Triana were the outposts of the first meeting chosen to bring all the Salesians together in a morning of intense work around the first of the core theme of the general chapter, animation and care for the real life of each Salesian, and to elect the delegates of the communities that will participate in the provincial chapter 28. The methodology adopted is the synodal tables proposed by the Church to facilitate the sharing of each one's opinions and a community spiritual discernment, a method already tested by the participants during the Youth Ministry Conference in September. The Salesian Missionary Group organized a day of missionary formation around the theme, "Young People and the Church, Alliance or Breakup," on Sunday 14th of January. This day of formation took place at the Salesian Community's IG2 Don Bosco in the municipality of Gombe. The day began with a Eucharistic celebration presided over by Father Jerry Matsumu, Delegate for Youth Ministry in the Africa Congo ACC Vice Province, concelebrated by Father Titus Wamba, Director of the IG2 Community Don Bosco, and Father Jacques Isha, who accompanies the missionary group. After the Mass, the day continued with a talk given by Father Matsumu. This talk was followed by a moment full of clarifying questions on the subject, exchanges and enriching discussions. This formative moment was followed by the fraternal sharing of a meal and the traditional evening word given by Father Isha, leader of the group. The second edition of the animation of Don Bosco's Dream at the age of 9 in connection with the Rector Major Strena 2024 was held in the Basilica of Mary Help of Christians in Turin Valdoco on Monday 15th January 2024. It consisted of a theological in-depth study by Father Andrea Bozzolo, the Rector Magnificus of the Salesian Pontifical University UPS in Rome. This rereading of the founding moment of the Salesian charism was presented also to a larger audience via streaming and to the numerous persons present. It showcased the elements that showed the rootedness of Little John's experience to the biblical tradition and to the proclamation of the gospel. The young people from Salesian presences in the Saint Pius X province of Brazil Porto Alegre BPA, located in the southern part of the country, are currently carrying out their youth ministry project PMJ in Portuguese from 14th to 20th of January 2024. The missionary volunteering projects are an initiative of the BPA province that have been carried out for 18 years and that every year bring together young people over the age of 18 to live and share Salesian youth spirituality in the parish communities in different dioceses. In 2024, the different areas were identified: São Joaquim and Poço Redondo in the state of Santa Catarina, SC, and Missal in the state of Paraná, PR. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.